guys, this is how I lost $250 day trading the Nasdaq. So let's go over how I got my bias for the day. Took another L, man. The losing streak continues, bro. Ooh boy. Move this to the side, actually. Matter of fact, yeah. Okay. So basically, for starters, right? Nasdaq runs through this Ravelli gap, so we get an inverse Ravelli gap. That's when I know, like, okay, we ran through that crap. I want to see us, downtrend, bro. I mean, that was kind of obvious, right? Going the hourly, I do see a bullish Ravelli gap, but 4 hour high time frame, higher power. You know what I'm saying? We come up into it, and if anything, just helped the bias because I knew that. All right, if you want to move lower, we got to come up a little bit, So look, accumulation right here, and then manipulation into this hourly fair value gap. I have it marked out right here. This is the hourly fair value gap. So accumulation, manipulate into the hourly fair value gap, and then I immediately see a SMT divergence, telling me the price wants to go lower. Okay, an SMT divergence. Okay. ES swept this high, Nasdaq didn't. So I know price wants to move lower. I wasn't so sure until I see a inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute. And mind you, this fair value gap was being tested and it just kept getting respected. So boom, up, and then we finally inverse it. So then after that, I want to wait for a change of state. We had a 1 minute, but I wasn't really feeling it. So I wanted to wait for like a 5 minute change of state. I always like, to wait for a 5 minute like inverse value gap change of state thing. So we get it right here. We close below the past series of up close channels. These blue ones right here. So we get it. I'm like, bet. I want to see us come back into this. Okay. So we come back into it. There's this fair value gap that formed right here. I don't know how this one went down. And we're just respecting it. We're just wicking it. And I just entered off of like this bearish close around this, or somewhere around here, one of these candles up here. So I was like, all right, bet. After this push up, that's when I answered. I was like, all right, this looks good. Logical entry, to be honest. Price action was just not favoring our strategy today. So, as for the vendor, maybe just not traded, bro. I mean, Trump spoke today. I did de-risk because of that, 100%. Good thing I did because I would have gotten stopped out if I went short anyways. And obviously I just targeted the opposite, some sell side liquidity. Okay, right here, these lows. Fortunately we got stopped out, but hey, it's part of the game, man. Losing streak continues, but it's part of the game, bro. Like, I was disciplined. I stuck to my plan. I stuck to my strategy. At the end of the day, that's all you can do, bro. From that point on, once you set your stop loss or take profit, it's up to God, bro. That's in God's hands. You can't choose what the market does. We're not the market makers, man. So I'm not beat up about it. I risk 0.5%. So I already journaled it on my notebook, on my journal. And yeah, man, this would have been awesome. This looked like a really solid. I was surprised this didn't get hit, bro. This looked perfect, but oh well. It's part of the game. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm gonna plan on going a little late to school then, because this looks good, honestly. We have news. I'll always wait for news to come out, probably. It's nothing crazy. This PMI stuff isn't a big deal. And then yeah, home sales, consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment can be pretty crazy, so we'll see. What price wants to do? Bro. And yesterday I was talking about having a bullish bias because Trump and all that. Maybe so, but I mean, according to the strategy, man, this just looked good. So let's just go over an optimal entry, right? Let's delete this. Let's delete everything. Let's go. Let's back test. Maybe ES. Let's mark it open. Let's back test real quick. We could have done better here. So I want to see us. Let's say the bias was bullish because Trump and whatever, blah blah blah, right? We also tap into like a fair value gap down here. I remember that. I want to see us come down because I know we want to move up, so I want to see us come down first. We do that by like, okay, I guess by 10:30. Yeah, fuck this. Okay, yeah, price action was just like, it was a mess. Honestly, I think my entry was solid, so can't complain. I mean, it's part of the game, bro. Good thing we de-risked, as Trump did speak. So, I mean, it didn't really impact the news too much. I think the Trump speaking was like, it was this candle right here, weak ass candle. So, anyways, that's it for today. I'll be back at it tomorrow. I'm gonna plan on going to school late just so I can really lock in on tomorrow's training session. So, yeah, man, I'll risk the tardy for something that actually matters. And yeah, so stay tuned for tomorrow, man. Y'all, peace out.